Namba nene ya andu aria makoretwo magithamira tauni-ini nene guku bururi-ini niyo icungiriirie unyihu wa nyumba. Kuringana na Anthony Ng'ang'a, munini wa murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa waki wa manyumba, thirikari ni ikoretwo ikigeria kuhurana na unyihu wa nyumba na njira ya gwaka nyumba cia raithi.
Demand for houses far outstrips the supply for houses in Kenya. And that's why when we have the affordable housing, it goes toward ensuring that even the low income earners have a decent house.
Thina wa unyihu wa nyumba ona kuhana roguo ucungiriirie gukura na gikiro kinene kwa icagi iria ikoragwo tauni-ini nene.
The rural urban migration is just one factor, but it also contributes towards the proliferation of slums in the urban areas. However, recently you realize there could be reliefers because of the governance system that we have today, the county government, the devolved units, and therefore we may not have a lot of rural urban migration as now.
Murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa waki wa manyumba kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, Bernard Maina, augite thirikari ya kaunti ni irageria kunyihia thina uyu kuria waki wa nyumba 605 urathie na mbere.
The second, or there is an initiative to put up 605 houses. Those are already ongoing. They actually they started sometime this year and they shall be ready in about 18 months.
Oho akiuga no marathie na mbere gucaria migunda ingi kuria waki wa nyumba makiria ugukorwo ugithie na mbere.
We have a lot of land in Nakuru County, Naivasha municipality and Nakuru municipality. A lot of it, almost 100, more than 100 acres that we can put up houses, but most of it is occupied by the old dilapidated municipal houses.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa ihinda kambuni-ini ya KenGen Peke Samangi augite ni mararutithania wira na ruhonge ruru rwa waki wa nyumba gutigirira ni maraheana hinya utangithukia maria maturigiceirie.
Geothermal energy is clean and environmental friendly because geothermal energy during production there is very little carbon emission that goes into the atmosphere, and therefore it fits well into efforts to make sure that cities and towns and the country at large and the world as a whole is free of carbon.
Age aria mararirie hindi igongona riri ni Elizabeth Mung'ura kuma thothaiti ya waki wa nyumba akiuga ni maratwarithia na mbere tabarira ngurani gutigirira aruti wira thirikari-ini mari na nyumba cia kuigana. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.